Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw hot air balloon. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Like and share this video. Let's make it more prominent. Let's color together. We will use rainbow colors. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, and purple color. Let's repeat these colors in opposite direction. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Again red, orange, yellow, blue, purple, green. Subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.